I bet you didn't know how crucial Git and GitHub are for modern software development. Welcome to the world of software development, where teamwork and efficient code management are the keys to success. Meet Git and GitHub, your new best friends in this journey. Picture this. You're working on an exciting project with your friends. You make some changes to the code, and so do they. But how do you keep track of all these changes and ensure everyone is on the same page? That's where Git and GitHub come to the rescue. Git is a powerful version control system that lets you track every change made to your code. It's like having a time machine for your code, allowing you to revisit and restore previous versions whenever needed. GitHub, on the other hand, is a web-based platform that hosts these Git repositories. Think of it as a central hub where you can store your code and collaborate with others effortlessly. Together, Git and GitHub offer a powerhouse of tools for developers. With Git, you can track changes, experiment with new features without disrupting the main codebase, and easily revert if something goes wrong. GitHub provides a collaborative environment where teams can work together seamlessly, share code, and contribute to projects. In this ultimate guide, we're diving deep into the realms of Git and GitHub. We'll explore their features, learn how to use them effectively, and discover how they can supercharge your software development workflow. So, let's get started. This is why you need Git. Imagine having a complete copy of your entire project right on your local machine. That's the magic of Git, a distributed version control system that empowers every developer with their own full-fledged repository. Unlike centralized systems where everyone has to connect to a single central repository, Git gives each developer their own playground. One of Git's standout features is its blazing speed and efficiency. Whether you're handling massive codebases or performing complex operations like branching and merging, Git handles it all with ease. This makes Git a perfect fit for projects of any scale, from small personal projects to large enterprise applications. One of the coolest aspects of Git is its powerful branching model. You can create multiple branches from the main code base, allowing you to work on new features or bug fixes without disturbing the main project. This isolation helps prevent conflicts and keeps the main codebase stable and clean. When you compare Git to other version control systems like SVN or CVS, Git clearly stands out with its numerous advantages. Its distributed nature means you can work offline, enjoy faster operations, and benefit from a more flexible branching model. Plus, Git's popularity has fostered a vast community and extensive documentation, making it easier than ever for beginners to dive in and start using it. Am I the only one that didn't know how to install Git? Well, let's fix that. And of course, we'll also cover some essential commands to get you started. Installing Git is super easy. Just head over to the official Git website and download the installer that matches your operating system. Once you've got it installed, you can access Git right from your command line or terminal. Before you start using Git, you'll need to set up your username and email address. This info is crucial as it tags your commits with your identity. You can do this easily by running these commands: git config, global user.name your name git config, global user.email your .email at example.com. Once that's done, you're all set to start using Git commands. Let's go over some of the basic commands you'll need. Git init. This initializes a new Git repository in your current directory. Git clone. This command creates a copy of an existing Git repository from a remote URL. Git add. Use this to stage changes to a file, getting it ready for a commit. Git commit. Commit message. This commits your stage changes with a descriptive message. These basic commands are the building blocks of working with Git. As you get more comfortable, you'll discover more advanced commands and workflows to streamline your projects. Happy coding! Why are there not more people talking about one of Git's most powerful features? Branching? Branching allows developers to create separate lines of development from the main code base, making it a game changer for collaborative projects. Whether you're working on new features, fixing bugs, or experimenting with ideas, branching keeps your work organized and isolated. Picture this. You're developing a new feature for your web application. Instead of altering the main code base, You can create a new branch dedicated to this feature. This approach ensures that your changes won't impact the main codebase until you're ready to merge them. To create a new branch in Git, simply use the git branch command followed by the branch name, git branch feature new login. This command will create a new branch named feature new login. To switch to this branch, use the git checkout command, git checkout feature new login. Now any changes you make will be reflected only in the feature new login branch, keeping your work isolated and safe. Once you're happy with your changes, you can merge them back into the main branch, seamlessly integrating your new feature. I bet you didn't know how powerful GitHub can be for your development projects. GitHub is an incredible web-based platform that hosts Git repositories, making it a central hub for developers. Imagine a place where you can store your code, collaborate seamlessly with others, and manage your projects all in one spot. Getting started is easy. First, you'll need to create an account. Just head over to github.com and sign up for a free account. It's that simple. Once you're in, you can start creating your own repositories or contribute to existing ones. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, making navigation a breeze. Your dashboard is your command center, where you can view your repositories, explore other projects, and manage your account settings. Each repository has its own dedicated page, showcasing files, commits, branches, and contributors. GitHub's collaboration features are top-notch, with tools like forking, pull requests, and issue tracking. These tools make it effortless for teams to work together on projects of any size, ensuring smooth and efficient collaboration. I don't think people understand how powerful GitHub collaboration can be. GitHub is a powerhouse of tools and workflows designed to make teamwork among developers a breeze. One of the key workflows is forking a repository. Forking creates a personal copy of the original repository under your GitHub account. This means you can experiment and make changes without touching the original codebase. After refining your changes, you can submit a pull request to the original repository owner, asking them to merge your improvements. A pull request is like a proposal to merge your changes from your branch into the main branch. It allows the repository owner to review your work, give feedback, and decide if it should be merged. Pull requests foster code reviews, ensuring that only top-notch code makes it into the main project. GitHub also shines with its issue tracking, where developers can report bugs, request features, or brainstorm ideas. Issues act as a hub for communication and collaboration, bringing the team together to tackle challenges and innovate. I bet you didn't know how powerful advanced Git techniques can be. As you get more comfortable with Git, it's time to unlock some advanced techniques that can supercharge your workflow. Let's start with rebasing. This powerful technique lets you move or combine a sequence of commits to a new base commit, making your commit history cleaner and more linear. Imagine incorporating changes from another branch into your current one, but with a neat and tidy commit history. That's the magic of rebasing. Next up, stashing changes. This feature allows you to temporarily save changes that aren't quite ready to be committed. It's incredibly handy when you need to switch branches quickly or want to experiment with a different approach without disturbing your current work. And then there's tagging. This feature lets you mark specific points in your commit history with meaningful names. Tagging is perfect for marking releases, milestones, or any significant events in your project's journey. You need to watch this if you struggle with mastering Git commands. Welcome to Section 8, where we dive into essential Git commands and tips. Let's explore a cheat sheet of must-know Git commands that will make your workflow smoother. First up, initializes a new Git repository, brings a repository to your local machine, stages your changes, saves your changes, shows the current state of your working directory, displays the commit history, lists all your branches, switches between branches, combines branches, sends your changes to a remote repository, fetches and integrates changes from a remote repository. Now, for some tips to enhance your command line efficiency, use tab completion to quickly navigate through commands and file names. Don't forget, you can use the up arrow key to cycle through your previous commands. and always read the documentation for each command to fully understand its options and usage. Happy coding! I don't think people understand how powerful Git and GitHub can be. Throughout this ultimate guide, we've journeyed through the essentials of Git and GitHub. We kicked things off with an introduction to version control and dived into the key features of Git. From installing Git to mastering basic commands and working with branches, we've covered it all. We then explored GitHub, understanding its pivotal role in collaboration and how to leverage its features effectively. Git and GitHub are indispensable tools for any software developer. They offer a robust and efficient way to manage code, collaborate with peers, and streamline your development workflow. By mastering these tools, you can boost your productivity, enhance code quality, and become a more effective developer. We encourage you to keep exploring Git and GitHub. Practice the commands, try out different workflows, and don't hesitate to seek help from the vast online community. The more you use these tools, the more proficient you'll become. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about Git and GitHub. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends.